Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video, I'm going to give you an update of the kitchen makeover. As you remember the before, guys, that was the before, and this is the after. I used contact paper and peel and stick tile just to do the makeover. And today, I'm going to give you a 6 months update on how everything is holding down. Guys, if you're renting and you still want the wow factor, it's the best way to go, and they are very easy to remove. This is a partial video collab with Luxear that sent me this fruit vegetable storage. Guys, I have an extremely busy life and I work a lot. Before I go to work, I always prepare my food and my vegetables for my children. I always review products that I know that are going to be very useful to you guys. And inside this box, you will find 5 storage container and 5 additional basket. As you can see, guys, the basket goes inside the storage container and you can use them separately as you wish. Of course, before you use them, you have to wash them. They are dishwasher safe, but me today, I'm going to wash them manually. Guys, I really love to display my fruits in my kitchen, but some of the fruits you cannot display. They must be inside a refrigerator. Guys, and this storage is the best thing you will ever buy if you want to store your leftover, your fruit, your vegetable, name it. The possibility is endless. I'm going to leave the link of everything in the description box down below for you guys to check it out. Don't forget to use the discount code for more saving.
Chase that morning, close your eyes. You wanna wake up where there's no goodbyes, and all your numbered days return to one. So I'll just stop and say what you will, 'cause I'm saying what you want.
I always take some time to welcome everyone that's new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first to know. This is a lifestyle channel. You will see pretty much a little bit of everything. And to all my current subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for all of you, and keep on watching. I really like to use them because my fruits and my food stay for days without going bad, and the person that is watching over my children doesn't have to worry about anything because everything will be prepared and ready. So, you know, that's the way to do stuff when you have kids.
I think I know. I guess I'm starting to see
The little handle make it so cute and super easy to carry around.
thought I would. There ain't no looking away, you're who you are.
Okay guys, let's go back to the kitchen update and keep on watching. Okay guys, this is the kitchen. I really like the way it turns out. Guys, from far away you will see everything very beautiful. But if you look closer, that's where you're gonna see all the imperfections. The Walmart contact paper, it's not too good, I can say, but for the price, it's okay. Right here, I'm going to add a border wall, make it look prettier. Okay guys, let's go back to the contact paper. As you can see, that's the top counter, and I was trying to scrub it. My kid dropped something on it and I was trying to scrub it, and the color that's what happened to it. Please don't scrub if you are using contact paper. That's the first time I use Walmart contact paper on those heavy area. As you can see, guys, I think this one, the previous one was a bubble, just pop, and the contact paper just like, I don't know what happened to it. And those are the line. I don't know if the knife did that. I don't know what happened to it. but that's how I see. This one is the main problem. But since I have a way to hide everything, so nobody will know. Who's gonna know? No one will know. But guys, I know, and today I'm going to give you an update on how everything is going. As you can see, when I remove my pressure cooker, you can see everything. You can see all. Those were little bubble, and once they pop and create this mess. But for the price I paid, I'm not going to complain about it because the pack was for $15.44 at the time. Right now the price went up, but at the time it was $15.44. It was inside the pack had 3. I used 1.5, and it's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. I can easily remove it and just use the remaining that I have. But since I don't have time, and once I put the pressure cooker back, it's look like new, nobody will know. As you can see, nobody will know. And this part, that's the foot of the microwave. Honestly, I just push the microwave forward and cover it out. I never experienced this problem with my contact paper, but the price wise was way more expensive than Walmart, and that's the reason I'm okay with it for now. And this one was my mistake because when I was pushing the stove, that's why this happened. I just leave it alone. I didn't do nothing with it. But for the price, I'm okay with it because compared to what I had and right now, it's a way big difference. It's way cuter, way better. This one was my mistake. I was trying to pull a little piece and then just slide open. Just leave it alone because nobody will know. I know. Did a little DIY on my coffee station, as you can see, guys, and fix everything, make everything look very nice. Guys, you don't need a lot of money to make your small apartment look nice. Just little touch and then boom, it's super cute. Guys, this is my favorite piece. It was on sale on Amazon for 50% off. Guys, everything in this kitchen, from the faucet to the peeling stick and contact paper, everything is less than $100. So guys, if you're living in a rental apartment, you can make it look so nice on budget without breaking the bank, because it's something once you move in, you can, it's like money you're gonna waste. Once you move it, you're gonna have to remove it. So it's super nice while you live there to make the apartment look very beautiful. Okay guys, as you can see, this is the finished look. You cannot see anything from far away, but if you're nosy, you look super close, you will see every imperfection. So far I like it. It's been 6 months since I did it, and I know it will survive another 6 months. For the price, it's good. And guys, I just did a little summer decor on it, and let me know in the description box down below what do you think. If you like it, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Everything that I use in this video will be in the description box down below. Make sure to use the discount code for more savings. Guys, I love candles, I love light, so I always have LED lights everywhere, as you can see in the video right now. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for taking your time watching the video today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.